Okay, this is Sam here with Secrets with Sam. All right. Some subscribers from the younger generation told me that I should turn my phone this way. Thanks for all the comments. And I was told to please like the video, but also please subscribe. I'm not sure how it works, but I was told if a lot of people subscribe, I'll get some money. And as you can tell, even with all these secrets, there's some projects to do on the house here. So, well, today, what we're going to be talking about is a couple of things. So, we have a lot of wasps around us, and they're coming into the living room because this sliding door is old, and you can see there's just a hole there. You know, the seal's not tight anymore, and even this part's not even supposed to slide. You can see it's just open there. So those wasps, they're coming in through those cracks in the door. So you got one option is to get another door. But another option is to caulk the door shut. And this is the secret here, not that many people know about, is right here. A lot of people know about DAP, that company, and they know this is a caulk bottle, or tube is maybe the technical term. But that's the part a lot of people don't know about. Temporary, removable. So if you want to seal up the door, and then later on you want to open it again, you just have to take this off. Now, it does say on here a couple things that you should know before you think about doing this at your house. Okay. The most important thing, I think, is this: do not seal fire exits. I guess it goes without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway. If you only have one door in your house, don't do this project on that door. Okay, so we got some soapy water and one rag that we're going to put in the soapy water, and one rag to dry. Oh, look, we can see one of them wasps right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to wipe down the area that we're going to caulk with the soapy water to get the dust and the dirt so we get a good seal. And then we're going to wipe it down to dry it, make sure it's all dry. And then we're going to caulk it. So I'm going to turn this off now, and prepare the surface and wash it down.